Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I'll be going over exporting to DXFs. So at the moment I've got a little car shape that you'd probably draw when you're in preschool. And basically if you're trying to get this laser card or water card or something like that, you want a DXF file. And so to do that, so what I do is I just right click here on that face, export to DXF slash DWG. Name it whatever. Yep, that's cool. And then it says entities to export, so it's selecting this face. I go OK, and then it shows me this here, which is the shape which it's exporting. And then I press save. It's as simple as that. And if I go to my tutorials file, my part has been saved as a DXF, as you can see. Anyway, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching.